So in this interactive brokers tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy an ETF here on Interactive Brokers. So once Interactive Brokers is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom and press on the middle icon or the two arrows heading in opposite directions. Once you're here, just go to the top and select an ETF or search up an ETF that you want to buy. So in this case, if you're, for example, in the United States and you want to go ahead and type in VOO, ticker symbol VOO or VOO, I'll just go ahead and do this as an example. Once you're on this page right here and you have your ETF selected, go to the bottom and press on the blue buy icon. Once you're here, you can go ahead and do the quantity. So for example, if you wanted to buy 1 share of VOO, you can go ahead and type in 1 that way. It'll then show you the price. If you want to go to the order type, you can edit that to whatever you want. I'll just do market for this example. And you can keep scrolling down, change whatever you have to change, and if all looks good and you want to proceed, use this bar on the bottom, slide to buy to proceed with the transaction. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. That is how to buy an ETF on Interactive Brokers. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.